Today we're talking about a combination of Google Sheets functions called index match. I often get asked the question, why use an index match when you can just use a VLOOKUP? So this is an example of why you can't use a VLOOKUP in this case. If you're trying to get the lifetime profits for customer ID 1012, you'll notice that the customer ID is in the second column of the data that we need. Now the problem with the VLOOKUP, just like Zoolander, it can't go left. So when you're doing a VLOOKUP here, the range must have the lookup key as its first column. If the ID column is not in the first column of the data, you can't use the VLOOKUP formula. Instead, we're going to use an index match. An index match is very similar. The index function allows you to return a cell when you specify the row in the column. Now, instead of hard coding the row in that range, in that reference range, we're actually going to use a match function in order to obtain that row. And that's where the lookup is happening. So we're going to do index B5 to B. That's the column for which we want to return the value. And then in row, we're going to actually use the match function and do 1012. And then it's going to be C5 to C. And false for an exact match. And then we leave the final argument for column blank, and it gives you the answer there. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.